What a beautiful, beautiful morning. Man, it is a beautiful day, and I want to thank you for joining me for another episode of, I don't know what we're going to call it, $5 Kettle Cooking with Kosmo. Because that's what we're going to do today. We're going to do a $5 breakfast. And today, we're knocking out brisket tacos. Hey, if you love to grill and barbecue, then this is the channel for you. Come on, man. Just come on in. Hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button. And give us a thumbs up. And join the family. Join Team Kosmo. Come on in. So yeah, you heard right. Today we're going to be knocking out brisket freaking tacos on the Weber. I even got some brand new cast iron just for you. This is going to be good. So let's get in the beast and get on up there. Man, that sun is bright today. That's a good thing though. It ain't raining. So I ain't even gonna lie to you, man. I was supposed to do these yesterday. But man, I've been feeling horrible. I don't know if it's allergies or I got a cold or what it is. I just woke up yesterday and I was like, this ain't gonna happen. There's no way. I feel way too bad. Just about the time the weather starts to get nice and it finally quits raining here in Oklahoma. But that's okay. Slept on it, relaxed a little bit yesterday. We're gonna do it today. And we're even getting a much earlier start, so that's awesome. But before we get these breakfast tacos going, I'm gonna stop and grab me a little bit of coffee. I think this coffee thing with me starting to get a little bit out of hand. I've always drank straight black coffee my entire life. But like I said, man, if I do go to a coffee shop, sugar-free vanilla latte with non-fat milk. This time, I'm gonna see if they'll put like 2 pumps of caramel in there. Somebody told me that that's pretty good, so we might as well see. My truck's too big to get in there, so I gotta back up, flip around. That's okay.
Good morning.
Good morning. Can I get a sugar-free vanilla latte with non-fat milk? And you think 2 pumps of caramel will be good in it? I heard it may be.
For sure.
Only in Oklahoma. 3 doolies in line. I think my truck's bigger than their entire stand here.
There you are.
Y'all have a good day. Thank you. Bottoms up. Yeah, that's not bad. Maybe 1 pump of caramel. Maybe just 1 pump. I think 2, just a little too sweet for OD. Still good though. All right, onward. We got some brisket tacos to make, and this is going to be a great recipe. This is going to be super easy on the Weber using the cast iron. Street taco style-ish, kinda, maybe a little bit. Instead of buying all the well, you'll see. You'll see when we get there. All right, let's get this thing going. It's already hot too. It's like 80 degrees already, but that's all right. Had to move my Australian shipment out of the way. All right, let's get this going. I forgot I was gonna light it up here. That probably wasn't the smartest thing to do, but hey, we got the Kosmos Fire Glove. All right, so let's get everything we're cooking with. And all we got here, need these guys. Eggs. Gotta have the cheese. A little bit of pico. And as always, white corn tortillas. Bam! Maybe a little butter. There we go. So we got white corn tortillas, Fiesta Berlin cheese, a little butter, tapatio, some pico de gallo, eggs, cage-free eggs, leftover brisket, hash browns. This one is gonna be really good. All right, so the coals are looking hot. They're very hot. So we're gonna get this sucker dumped and we're gonna get to cooking brisket tacos on there. Alright, so we gotta get our pan going. It's gonna be for our browns. A little bit of oil in there. Oh yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Test one. Not yet. Alright, so we got our oil on. We threw one in to test it. It's starting to fry a little bit, but we're gonna have to wait. Alright, so we got some pride, so let's go ahead and get a dump going. I think that'll be enough. Get everything nice and coated with a little bit of oil. Then go grab my SPG. I don't know. We may do Dirty Bird Hot this time. That'll go good with some tacos. All right, so we'll hit them with a little bit of Dirty Bird Hot. There we go. Come on now. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah. Little nice fryage on there. Oh, we lost one to the fire. That's okay. Let's put the lid on and let her dangle. Yeah, now we're getting us a nice little fry. There we go. Looking good. Looking real good. Get a little brisket fry going. This just leftover brisket. You guys use whatever you want. Ooh, that's hot. Let that warm up. It's gonna be a lot quicker than I thought. You gotta hit it with a little more seasoning. Dirty Bird Hot. From the looks of it down there. These briquettes cook way hotter than that lump we had last time. Way hotter. I say let's try something a little different. Let's make like little plates. What do you say? So what I did is I put some in this little pan. I put a couple eggs in there, and we're just gonna cook it in there, and then we'll throw the cheese and the tortillas and everything on top. Kind of build your own thing. I was over there doing that a minute ago. I thought I was recording, but turns out I wasn't. So, but now you see it. But my eggs ain't wanting to cook, so I'm going to the fire. We may have to just, stir them up in there. They want to cook over here. Come on, buddy. All right, so these eggs don't want to cook for some reason, so we're gonna improvise. We're gonna do what we do. We're gonna scramble them. There we go. Yeah, we got stuff to do. We don't got time to be standing around waiting on this. We got some hunting and fishing, barbecuing. Ain't nobody got time for this. Get on over there. Get your ass to cooking. Let's see if we can't fix it on this other one. So we'll do this. We'll fix it right here. Put an egg right there, an egg right there, egg right there, one right there. We got hungry people to feed. I appreciate you guys coming along this ride with us. We don't know what we're doing. We're just trying. Leave me a comment down below. How would you make your breakfast scramble? Back on the cooker. Let's get this mess out. Now we're talking. That looks way better. All right, let's give these eggs a little sprinkle too. They gotta have some love. We already seasoned the meat and everything, so we don't need to go crazy. We're gonna get some cheese on this baby. She is looking good. I want y'all to see that. Look at that. Woo! What do you think? Cheese everywhere? We gotta let the eggs stay with it. What do you think? Just like that? Oh yeah. I'm gonna get this baby pulled off. Set right over here. Boy, look at them. Don't they look beautiful? Let's see that. Come on. Oh, yeah. I'm gonna put that back. So we got the tortillas in the cooker warming. As soon as they get done, we're gonna jump right in this. This looks, now I wanna show you, I ain't gonna lie to you, man. It went from this to this. Now, come on now. Would you eat that or that first? Now I'll tell you, the other one tastes freaking amazing. But this looks amazing, which makes it will taste even better. So we're gonna get us a taco made. All right, I say the tortillas are done. Cheers to you guys. Let's get us a taco. Couple tacos. Some taco shells. Oh yeah, right there. Come, oh yeah. Woo. Let's get a little pico on there. Top deal. Gotta have it. Boom. Alright, so let's get to taste testing. That's what I'm talking about. What do you think? Cheers. That is so stinking good. That is so good. Man, I ain't gonna lie. That went sideways there real quick when I put it in that little pan, but it went sideways. But man, it came through. This was an awesome use of old brisket. So hey man, I'm gonna get out of here. As always, make sure to smash that like button. Go ahead and subscribe. And if you like what we're doing, get in here. Team Kosmos needs you. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.